Welcome to MedTech Global Insights. This week, the ground shifted under the feet of many AI medtech innovators. The US FDA released an unexpected draft guidance on clinical decision support software, and its impact is immediate. For years, the industry operated under the assumption that if a tool simply made recommendations for a healthcare professional to review, it would likely fall under enforcement discretion. This new guidance narrows that interpretation significantly. The FDA is now focusing on the complexity of the algorithm and whether a physician can independently evaluate the basis for its output. If the software is a black box, it is more likely to be regulated as a medical device, regardless of its intended use as a supportive tool. This change is sending ripples through the industry, forcing companies to reevaluate their entire regulatory strategy. Consider the case of a startup we will call Cardiologic. They spent the last 2 years developing an AI algorithm that analyzes EKG data to flag subtle abnormalities that might predict future cardiac events. Their strategy was built on classifying the tool as a low-risk clinical decision support system. They secured funding and were planning a launch in the third quarter. Last week's guidance throws that timeline into chaos. Their algorithm, which uses a complex neural network, does not allow a physician to easily see exactly why a certain risk score was generated. Under the new interpretation, their product will almost certainly require a formal pre-market submission, possibly a 510(k). This means a sudden need for more extensive validation data, clinical studies, and a complete overhaul of their quality management system, leading to unexpected delays and significant costs. This situation highlights a critical challenge in the fast-moving world of medtech AI. Regulatory goalposts can and do move. The new guidance emphasizes the need for transparency in algorithms and robust documentation from the very beginning of the development process. Companies can no longer treat regulatory affairs as a final checkbox before launch. It must be an integral part of product design and strategy from day one. This proactive approach is essential for navigating the evolving landscape and ensuring that groundbreaking technologies can reach patients without costly and avoidable delays. For companies navigating these complex changes, expert guidance is crucial. Contact Pure Global for support by emailing info@pureglobal.com or by visiting our website at pureglobal.com.